Hey guys, it's Chris from Finite By Design. I just got a new shipment in today, so I'm going to show you guys a little behind the scenes look. This is my office here. There's our laser engraver. My desk set up, some of the coins that are in progress. These are some of our Rays of Affluence coin sets. But what I want to show you today is here. All right, you're gonna get a sneak peek at the same time as me. Let's see what we got. All right, let's have a look. Custom coin box, and ooh, look at that. New 5 XRP coin, Finite By Design, 2025. Oh, that's a beaut. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this. Okay, so let's get started. First, I like to work on some microfiber cloth. So let's get that set up here. We got a private key and a hologram, some proprietary tools. Okay, that's the coin. We get our private key, put it in the indenture. Have some special tape here that goes on the hologram. Now I'm going to peel off the backing. And then I want to get centered as well as possible. Make sure we have a good adhesion. Now this is just a little tool I designed. It's a stamp. I got a piece of rubber there that fits directly in, and I can put a little pressure and make sure we get good adhesion. And then I have one next step that I do. I put another piece of rubber, and I'm going to move the camera here and try not to be too abrupt. Bring this down so you can see some more proprietary technology. So here I will get our coin with our insert and a clamp and put some pressure on it. Now I'm gonna let that pressure sit for like 60 seconds just to get a better adhesion, and then once that's done, we'll have a nice assembled coin ready to be boxed back up and sent off to a customer for loading and gifting, or loading and storage, or whatever you want to do with it. Okay, flash forward now. We've let this set. I'm gonna get the coin and move back to my workstation. Okay, back at the workstation now. We're going to go ahead and remove the rubber insert. Slowly peel off the adhesive tape. And we have an assembled XRP. First one ever. Finite by Design.